In this video, I am going to show you a great way to make money online by generating videos. This is very easy to do and takes just a few minutes to complete, so it is great for those of you just starting out looking for ways to make money online. By using this method, you can get paid up to $300 every day. You don't need any skills or experience to do this, as all you will be doing is downloading and uploading short videos online. And one of the great things about this method is that it is completely free and of course 100% legit. So make sure you do watch this video the whole way through and do not skip ahead, as I will be showing you a step-by-step tutorial and I do not want you to miss out on any important steps that could prevent you from getting paid. Also, one thing I do want to mention is that you can use any device to do this, so it does not matter if you have a laptop or a mobile phone. The only thing you do need to worry about is having a stable internet connection. With that being said, let's jump into this video and learn about this amazing new way to make money online. The website we will be using today is called Guru, but before we do get into that, let's talk a bit about how we are going to make money with this method. With more and more companies and individuals going digital and moving work online, there is now a huge demand for freelancers to complete tasks and projects which can pay anything from $25 up to $100 and even more for bigger projects. Video making is actually one of these tasks that is in huge demand, and at the moment it is one of the most sought after tasks of every online job site. With this being such a hot trend at the moment, we will be using this to make money. And don't worry, as you don't need to know how to make videos, because with this method all we will be doing is uploading already made videos to a website to make money. In fact, you don't really need to put in much effort at all to make this work. Make sure you do stick around, as later on in the video I will be sharing a bonus tip on where you can get videos for completely free. So what I'm going to do now is give you a quick overview of Guru, how it works and why we will be using this website to make money. So Guru connects businesses with freelancers from all around the world with a secure, flexible and cost-effective platform. So as you can see, there are currently 800,000 employers worldwide, and to date $250 million has been paid to freelancers. With the addition of a 99% customer satisfaction rate, you might be starting to see the benefits of why this website will be great to use for this method. If we scroll down a bit, you can see there are a range of different freelancer services available, from programming and development, to design and art, writing and translation, to administrative and secretarial. Once you get started on this website and start producing work for different clients, you will end up establishing long-term business relationships, which of course means you will earn money over and over again. Scrolling down slightly further, you can see a number of reasons why over 3 million people have chosen Guru to do business. Of course, the first thing that I do want to mention is that 3 million people is a huge amount of people that you can monetize with your freelancing services. In addition to this though, you can see that they do have good credibility, as they verify each and every one of their freelancers to ensure that they work with only the best freelance talent from around the world. Also offered is safe pay payment protection, and you do get a choice of preferred payment methods for financial peace of mind. There is also a dedicated support team available to help you with any questions or queries, and they are available 24/7. As well as flexible payment agreements and great value for money by providing the lowest fees in the industry. There are some great testimonials at the bottom of the page which you can read through if you choose to. So now we have learnt about Guru, what we are going to do next is sign up for a free account. To do this, simply come to the top right hand corner and click the sign up button. You have got the option to do a quick sign up with a Facebook, a LinkedIn or Google account. Alternatively, all you need to do is enter your name and email address and then click the proceed button. The registration should only take a couple of minutes to do, and once that is done you can log into your account. Before we go any further, if you guys are enjoying this video, then make sure to like this video and hit that subscribe button and notification bell to be notified whenever we do upload new methods to make money online. Alright, let's get back to it. Coming back to Guru, you need to know how to find a job, and to do that all you need to do is click on to find jobs at the top of the page. This is going to bring up a list of different jobs that you can look to apply for, but of course you can just click on the search box and type what kind of job you're looking for. for example logo design or even video editor. And before you do that, one bonus tip I want to share is to establish a portfolio of work. And there is actually a very easy way to do this that does not require much effort. In fact, it's actually the same method that you will have to incorporate once you have applied for and been accepted for a job on Guru, so make sure you do pay close attention and do not go anywhere to learn how to get this set up. So what you will need to do is come across to a website which is called Philosophy. Philosophy is a free video template website that gives you a massive amount of resources to help you generate and make different videos and grow your branding. There are no charges, stock watermarks, and everything here is completely copyright free, so you can use any material you do find. In fact, a recent feature they have added is a video maker. So if you wanted, you can actually create your own videos right here on the website without any designer tools or experience. It's very easy to use, and all you need to do is choose a design from the library which is constantly being expanded and new videos are actually added all the time. Once you found a design you like, all you need to do is tweak it to your liking, hit the render button and they will do the rest. It's very simple to use and you do not need any specialist skills to use this feature. One thing that is absolutely great is that it is completely free. So this does save you purchasing expensive memberships for software like for example Adobe After Effects, Photoshop and Premiere Pro. You can get signed up for a free account in minutes, and to do this all you need to do is click on the register button in the top right hand corner of the screen. From here just enter a few details like your name, email and password, and then go ahead and click the green register button. Once you've registered to the website, if you look at the top left hand corner you will see the free template tab right here next to the logo. If you go ahead and click onto this, you will see a selection of different templates ready for you to download for completely free. The templates available include intros, outros, banners, logos, wallpapers, thumbnails and many more. Of course, this is going to really help you out with the video editing part because you just have to tweak it a little bit on these templates and then of course submit it to Guru. To download any of these video templates, you can use the search box or simply click onto find templates and you can now get a variety of available ones where you can choose which template suits you best. Next, simply click the desired template that you want to download and this will ask you to do simple tasks. So this could be tasks like to follow the creator on Philosophy, YouTube or maybe even Twitter. After you have completed the task, just wait a few seconds and a download link will appear which you can click on to download your video. Once that's downloaded, all you need to do is simply come back to Guru, click on to post a job at the top of the page and post a video with a price which will be displayed. In no time at all, you will have plenty of buyers buying your video and of course generating you a ton of money. So at this point I just want to mention that there is another way to make money online just by reading, and I've actually created a video on the entire process which you can check out by clicking the video that pops up on screen now. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you do not miss out on any of my videos on amazing ways to make money online, and be sure to leave a comment below if you do have any questions. I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching, and with that being said I will see you guys in the next video.